Welcome to the tip of the day. I'm Jen Anthony for CPI. Today's tip, how to be a first half service manager. Attention service managers. If you're finding yourself tucked away in your office, avoiding the morning service lane, you are not the only one. It can be easy as it becomes routine. That routine, however, does not allow you to coach your team, your service advisors, in the first half, as in a football game. The initial stages, the first half, is also what sets up the foundation on which the customer's experience is affected. Everything from the customer's arrival, the meet and greet, to the walk around. If you are in the office unavailable to the team, it can hurt the customer's experience, as the service advisors might be backed up 2 or 3 customers at a time, in which case the customer is left standing at the advisor's desk, or worse, at their vehicle trying to figure out what the next step is. A good coach knows that they have to be involved from the very beginning. And that's the tip of the day. Your service advisors are the front line. They are the face of the dealer service lane, but they are only human too, and need coaching and encouragement from time to time. However, if you're a second half manager, you are not able to effectively lead and coach your team. Knowing that giving advice from a distance, not in the lane, is not as nearly effective as working as the leader and showing your advisors how to work the lane. Call CPI today at 212-763-0016 to discover how we can help. Thanks for watching.